guys, Kimberly Martinson here. I want to talk to you about what's going on in the course and what to expect coming up. So first let me tell you what I'm looking at here. I am looking at the schedule of work, which you get to by going to content and then read me first in syllabus materials, then syllabus materials, and then course schedule of work. I also have bookmarked this document to make it easier for me to find. The reason that I like this document is that there are 3 different ways that the course is tracking what's due for you, and it can get a little bit confusing. So this one is the one that's kind of the most fixed and static. So relying on it is kind of steady, has a steadying effect for you. So, alright, you guys did your introductory post that was due Friday, and I enjoyed reading those posts. Tomorrow you have your literary autobiography due. A bunch of you have already got that turned in, which is great. Wednesday, your orientation, which is extra credit, is due. So when you are looking at that assignment, it's going to explain how to do it, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment as well, where to find that. And then Wednesday, we also move into Module 2, and you have your readings due. And then Friday, you have another discussion post that will be due. So, as you note, these things on the left are the module numbers, and then the assignment, and then the due date, and then the points. So we're going to go look in Modules 1 and 2 to find those things that are coming up. So I'm going to go to Table of Contents. I don't know if you can hear that, but here in Tucson we actually have a pretty serious storm going on. We actually had some marble-sized hail, which honestly, in all my years in living in Arizona, I've never seen this here, so it's a pretty unique situation. Alright, so I'm going to go to Unit 1, Module 1. Alright, and then you guys have pretty much already finished this discussion. Scroll down here, Unit 1, Literary Autobiography, so that's where you'll click, and it'll give you instructions for how to upload your document. But basically, guys, it's like, there's another one. Basically, you guys, it's like attaching something to an email. So you'll need to attach it and then submit it just to make sure, because if you don't go that extra step and hit submit, then it might not go through. But you should get a submission receipt email just to bring you peace of mind. And if you're not sure that your submission went through, let me know. In fact, let's just look at that right now, see who's got it in already as of this moment. All right, I'll show you what I can see on my end, and that way we don't have to wonder. Alright, so 6 of you have got this turned in. As of right now, it's 5:03 p.m. Mountain Time. Alright, so we've got it from Cody, Christiana, Angelique, Crystal, Deshawn, and Penny. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to go back to my table of contents now, and I'm going to get to Module 2, which will take us to the readings. Okay, so the readings are always in this document that just is titled the module. So Module 2, open it up, and there's a document for you to read. So the readings include all of this text plus anything that's linked inside of it. So right here you see links for you to read. So that's pretty easy. And then the next thing that you'll do, I'm going to click Next, is this just forwards me to the next item in Module 2, and this is your discussion. CD 2A, Analyzing Text Rhetorically. So it's, woohoo! I don't know if you can hear that. This is the most entertaining video. So you're going to create your post to this discussion board based on what you understand from the readings. Okay, so that's what's coming up this week. I wanted to say something about grading. Let me show you what the grades look like now. Several people emailed me and said, it looks like I have a 0 for everything, and my final grade is also a 0. And that was misleading because the reality is that, I mean, sort of abstractly, everyone has a 0 for a grade before a class starts, right? But it's confusing because it makes it look like you failed before you started. So I changed everything so that all ungraded items are just null instead of being 0. So now you should see where you had like things that haven't been graded yet don't look like zeros. And so, for instance, like in Cassie's case, she did her first assignment. She got all the points, so currently she has a 100% because she's done and completed 100% of the work for the course. So that's a bit more like it. I didn't realize that it was set that other way before, but it was an easy fix. So thank you guys for letting me know. You can always email me, and I will be in touch and checking in on you guys. I think that's all I've got, you guys. I hope you're having a good weekend, and I will be looking forward to reading your introductory autobiographies online.